In today's demo, we'll walk through end-to-end how Stigg can act as your monetization OS, meaning supporting any pricing model, monetization workflow, or even billing provider. Now in this case, you might have different products defined within Stigg, and for each of those products, you can have different SKUs. So that could be different plans, add-ons, entitlements, and so forth. And when we look at an example here of a free plan, worth noting that inside of plans, there's a lot of things you can customize, whether it's around the customer journey or different price models. But one thing I did want to double down on was our concept of features, and this is something you'll see throughout the app. Really think about features as the things that are tied to the commercial features of your application itself. So in this case, you can maybe have different Boolean features, configuration features, or actual metered or usage-based features. I'll go ahead and click edit for this entitlement. What I want to do now is see how we could actually change these plans live and have that reflected within a demo environment. So I set this to 100 AI tokens for now instead of 105. And what I'll do is I'll publish these changes. But when it comes to the migration of plans, you have two options. They could either be grandfathering folks into their existing plans, or we can provide this for all subscriptions, which I'll do for the sake of this demo. But what's really great about that, now as I refresh this page, we can see here that those 105 tokens automatically change to 100 for that free trial. If I view the analytics page as well, we can see that this is something that is gated, and I'll need to upgrade my plan to actually see this page. So when I upgrade this plan, we'll be brought to this pricing page. This is just a Stigg widget showcasing we can support PLG, sales-led growth, and so forth. So right now, I'll just stick to starting a 14-day trial on the enterprise tier. And we'll see that once I do that, I have this page enabled for me. If I were to visit this AI tokens page, I could see I have unlimited as well for these 14 days. And if you're curious about how Stigg is able to abstract that business logic from the code, it really stems down to that feature level. And this is where you'll be able to copy and paste code on that feature level into your app. And that's what's going to be able to abstract away the different things like what plan I'm on, how much usage I have access to, what features I have access to, and so forth. So now at this point in time, though, let's go ahead and provision a new customer inside of Stigg. So I can do that by navigating over to customers and adding a subscription here. So one thing I did want to call out is as I do this manually for bespoke contracts, that's typically being done automatically. So let's say you plug in this information inside of Salesforce, HubSpot, or even using our AI agent that could scan a PDF and automatically generate these or provision these entitlements for you. Right now I just set these manually, and for AI tokens I set that to 15,000. If I go ahead and create this subscription, we'll just quickly see here how Stigg is automatically able to do two things. It already connected me to that Stripe customer inside of Stigg, and that's a bidirectional integration there. But if I also go back to that demo app and refresh this page, we can see now I'm on the enterprise plan as well as having those 15,000 tokens.